Rivers Surname Meaning and History, presented by coadb.com. Surname meaning: it is an English topographic surname denoting someone who lived on the slope of a hill, derived from the misdivision of the Middle English words atter and evere, meaning at the brow or edge. Can also be an English topographic surname denoting someone who came from River in Tillington in County Sussex, or from River Hill in Binstead in County Hampshire. It's ultimately a surname of French origin derived from the French word Riviere, meaning river, imported to England at the time of the Norman Conquest by the de la Riviere family in Normandy, France. Early bearers included Sir John de Rivers of Ongar in County Essex. He was present at the Battle of Falkirk in 1298, which is depicted at the right, and he was knighted at the siege of Calais in France in the year 1299. Also, John de Rivers was granted a market in Worminghall in Buckinghamshire in the year 1304. Noble titles held included the Rivers Baronetcy of Chafford in the county of Kent. This was a title created in the Baronetage of England in 1621 for Sir John Rivers, a graduate of Oxford and member of the Inner Temple. He was the son of Sir George Rivers, born 1554, son of Sir John Rivers, who was the Lord Mayor of London. He was succeeded by his grandson, Sir Thomas Rivers, 2nd Baronet, who died in 1657, who's depicted on the right, and he sat in the House of Commons. The 3rd Baronet was Sir John Rivers, seen here, who died around the year 1679. Here we see the family estate of Chafford Park. They also held the title of Baron Rivers, a title created in 1299 for Sir John Rivers, Lord of Ongar in Essex, when he was summoned to Parliament. He served in English campaigns in Gascony and Scotland and was succeeded by his son, Sir John Rivers, who died around the year 1340. Notables in the family include Thomas Rivers, born 1798, an English nurseryman known for developing new varieties of roses and fruits. Lieutenant General Augustus Pitt Rivers, born 1827, an English officer in the British Army, an ethnologist and archaeologist. William Hulse Rivers, born 1864, an English anthropologist, neurologist, and psychiatrist known for treating First World War officers who suffered from shell shock. And lastly, Richard Godfrey Rivers, born 1858, an English artist active in Australia, president of the Queensland Art Society. Early settlers to the New World included Joan Rivers, who came to Virginia in 1653. Mary River came to Maryland in 1655. Christopher and Edward Rivers came to Maryland in 1661. Richard Rivers arrived in Virginia in 1664. And Anne and George Rivers came to Virginia in the year 1668. And if you enjoyed this video, please visit us at coadb.com. Link in the description. Thank you very much.